So we know these two angles are similar, and we know these two pentagons are similar. So we're going to find the missing sides. Okay, so first, they're always going to give you one set that's already done, meaning this side and this side are done. So we can say 9 over 4 is our first set. The rest of these has its side missing, whichever side it is similar to, so on and so forth. So first let's try with this 45. This 45 and this x. So I'm just going to label this one x. So 45 over x is like 9 over 4, meaning we do this. 45 over x equals, or 9 over 4 equals 45 over x. To figure this out, first we need to cross multiply. This becomes 9x equals 180. To figure out what the side is, now we have to just divide by 9. X gives us 20. So we know if this side is 45, this side has to be 20. So now let's call this y and solve for that one. We know its comparable part is 27, so we can say 9 over 4 equals 27 over y. Cross multiply again, so you get 9y equals 108. If you divide by 9, y gives you 12. So that means that this side right here is 12. Now let's find z. Let's just label this one z. We'll put the little thing so you guys don't get confused. That's a 2. So z. So 16 in z. So instead of writing it as 16 over z, it now is going to be z over 16 because it's always the bigger over the smaller. So we've got to do 9 over 4 equals z over 16. So we cross multiply, you get 4z equals 144. If I divide by 4, divided by 4 gives me 36. So z equals 36. And finally, I'm just going to label this last side A. Okay, so let's figure out A. A is going to be 9 over 4 equals A over 24. So when I cross multiply, I should get 9 times 24. It's 216 equals 4A. So when I take 216 divided by 4, I get A equals 54. And that's how you find the missing sides of similar shapes.